You own a business looking to create awesome website for it. Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced you Gbope Cash TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Gbope Cash are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing.
Hi everyone, you are welcome once again. We have a new platform that is out to pay us into cedis, and this platform will pay you based on the tax you are going to do. Now this is a new platform out to help us make some cool cash online. Now this is a new website that just came out. Now if you are a kind of person who are following online videos and you want to make money, when such platforms like this are out, make sure you've been able to follow up to work with them within some few days and get your small profits and leave, because investment platforms like this, they run away from people. They run away with people's money. So for me not to advise you to invest into this, I'll advise you to invest to your own risks that you think you can take. And when you clear your money off, be ready to run away, because some of these platforms does not last for long. But this is new. When they are new like this, for the first 1 month, they are always there. So for us not to waste time, check in the description or the comments section. There is a link there which will direct you to this platform you register. So just type on it like the way I did this one. So they'll ask you to register. Now you register, you enter your account in the +233, enter your number, enter a password and confirm the password. Now come and register. Now I already have account. I'll log in into this and show you how you are going to earn money from this. So you type in log in. Now my own has already been saved, so I'll just log in into it. Successfully it has been logged in. Now they say welcome to library or whatever it is. Sign up bonus for 30 Ghana cedi instantly. Daily login bonus, you get 1 cedis every day. Like this was to be like Pony International for like way back 2 years ago. Pony International was one of these platforms that pays people a lot because it was free and investment. But this one, without you investing, you will not be able to withdraw your money. Even the 30 cedis, you can withdraw it, but you have to invest and purchase their first order before. So while you invest, automatically your withdrawal has been unlocked. So let's read what full. They say daily login bonus is 1 Ghana cedis for every day. Investment opportunities: invest 80 cedis and get 8 cedis every day. Invest 150 cedis every day and earn 16 cedis every day. Now invest 500 cedis every day and earn 60 Ghana cedis every day. Now refer bonus: successfully refer your friends to invest and get up to 40% cash bonus. So when you refer someone and the person sign up with your referral link, you earn a commission of 40% of what the person has invested. So invest now and start your journey to wealth. That's the official channel, and these are the liability that I have given to you for you to follow. Now let's go. Now when you finish, this is how the interface or the dashboard will look like. Here are the investment pages you invest. Here the first one, when you recharge, the money will be in your account, so you come and invest into this. So I will tell you to first invest into the first one, which is 80 Ghana cedis, because that one is less. So when you invest and you withdraw your 30 Ghana cedis every day, your 1 cedis, at least maybe by 1 week you get more than your money. And if the channel is blocked, you are no more be blamed, because let's say 30 cedis is already there, so 50 cedis is what you are going to add. So you can invest, or you can add 50 cedis to it, so making the 30 cedis in all you use it to invest. So let's say you invest that. Now when you invest that, now you then come back every day. When you log in, you get 1 cedis. When you first someone, you get a commission of 40% of it. So make sure every day you log in. So if like you log in for like 10 days, the 10 days plus every day 10 days for 80 cedis, you are going to earn 88 cedis in that 10 days. And if the 10 days after the 10 days is not working, you know you have gotten your money and you did not go on loss. You invested 50 cedis and you get 88 cedis, you have gotten a profit. This is something cool, even though it is not much. But this ones, if like you get a platforms like this about 10.5, at least before the man will get one end, you get something. This is huge, you know. So let's just continue now. After the investment here, you come back here, this is your profit. So your total investment and total revenue. So what that will be given every day is here. So the total investment is going to be here, and the total revenue, which is what you'll be earning every day, will be here. Someone asks, how is it possible? Let me put 80 cedis every day. You give me 8 cedis, and they said giving me 8 cedis every day for like this. For like this. Now this one like this. They said price 80 Ghana cedis, daily profit 8 cedis, total revenue 240 cedis, which is 30 days. Now you've just invested 80 cedis. How come you will get 240 cedis? 240 cedis. So that 240 cedis, how did they make it? Now this is it. You see, they said purchase excavator is there, so they are renting them. You are going to pay or invest your money there. They'll use it to rent those machines, use them to work. The interest they get from it is what they are going to share with you. So that is how they also work. Like you invest your money in the bank, they will also use it to loan people, and the interest that people is going to pay are what you are also going to earn from. That is the same as this particular platforms. So invest your money and earn a commission based in it. That's all. So the 3 types of ways we get to make money online here is refer someone, log in every day, and invest. So to refer someone, you go to share button, share, you type in share. Now here is it. You copy the referral link, invite link. So when you just type on it and send it, they will direct the person to a Telegram channel, and there they will link your code to it, and automatically it will send the person to registration form, and you register with your details, and after then you start to earn your money. If this video find you helpful and you are happy to be invested into this platform, I would like you to kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification post, and join this family. And anytime that a video like this is being uploaded, you'll be the first person to watch. Thank you, and we'll meet once again.